The 2024 Geneva Motor Show is a golden opportunity for Chinese brands that have making waves in the global market to showcase their technical prowess. Zeekr Motors MG and IM Motors, featuring a range of models including the IM L6 and MG3 HEV, Cyberster made a grand appearance at the motor show. Zeekr Group, a true pioneer in the Go Global movement among Chinese automakers, achieved overseas car sales of 1.208 million units in 2023, making an 18.8% year-over-year growth and leading the Chinese automotive industry for 8 consecutive years. It also became the first Chinese automaker to export over 1 million cars annually. Zeekr Group has systematically and strategically ventured abroad with a complete industry chain. It goes beyond just selling cars overseas. It has established a comprehensive global automotive industry chain covering research and development, marketing, logistics, components, manufacturing, finance, and used cars. Their products and services are now available in over 100 countries and regions worldwide. However, if we focus on sales volume, Zeekr Group's significant global expansion truly began with the 100-year-old MG brand. Founded in 1924, MG left an indelible mark in the sports car arena, well known among overseas consumers. In 2007, after a series of acquisitions, Zeekr Group successfully integrated this century-old British brand into its system. MG's inherent advantage for going global lies in its brand DNA, with a global lineage and a sporting spirit that holds considerable appeal in international markets. Leveraging MG's historical roots in Europe and Zeekr's innovative research and development centers worldwide, Zeekr can understand the diverse needs of overseas consumers. This global R&D, domestic production, and complete vehicle export model has been a key factor in Zeekr's rapid expansion into overseas markets. In 2023, MG achieved cumulative overseas sales of 840,000 units, securing the China's single brand export champion title for 5 consecutive years. It also ranked into the top 10 single brand exports in countries like Australia, New Zealand, Mexico, and India. MG4 cumulative overseas sales surpassed 100,000 units, claiming the top spot in European compact BEV sales. As the main driver of Zeekr's global strategy, MG has entered markets in more than 100 countries and regions, establishing a network of over 2,000 overseas dealers. Zeekr's other brand, IM Motor, has been carefully nurtured in recent years and is expected to be another breakthrough in Zeekr's global expansion. The global debut of IM L6 at the Geneva Motor Show signifies the brand's official first step into the international market. Europe, in particular, is a focal point for IM Motors and Zeekr's overall Go Global strategy. Currently, the European market has become Zeekr's largest overseas market, accounting for 200,000 units of the total 1.2 million export sales. Zeekr has 1 R&D center, 5 subsidiaries, 2 accessory centers, and over 1,200 dealerships in Europe. Zeekr is rapidly expanding its presence across the entire European market at a pace beyond many people's expectations. To streamline every aspect of their global expansion, Zeekr has even ventured into owning and manufacturing ships. Zeekr's logistics arm, Anji Logistics, is now the world's largest automotive logistics company, operating China's largest self-owned fleet with 30 various transport vessels and 7 international routes, ensuring a continuous flow of Zeekr's products to Europe, Southeast Asia, South America, and other regions. Currently, to adapt to the increasingly complex international competition and complying with the legal regulations of different overseas markets, Zeekr is gradually changing its traditional domestic production complete vehicle export model. Previously, Zeekr Group has established production bases and KD factories in Thailand, Indonesia, India, and Pakistan. In the second half of last year, targeting the European market, SAIC has started the site selection process for its European complete vehicle manufacturing base. Of course, establishing overseas plants comes with challenges, posing a significant test for Chinese companies like SAIC in the global capacities. Setting up plants in Europe involves high operating costs, labor expenses, and a relatively weak supporting industrial chain. Support for SAIC in Europe is inevitably less than what it receives domestically. Previously, SAIC's investment in Sanyong in South Korea and the subsequent struggles with its labor union serve as an unsuccessful case. However, if SAIC can overcome these challenges and successfully establish and operate a production base in Europe, it will undoubtedly greatly boost SAIC's development in the European market.